Hi, I'm Tiffany from Custom Service Hardware, and welcome to Tips from Tiff. Today, I'm going to show you how to replace a European or cup style hinge. You may want to do this if you want to upgrade to soft close or if one of your current hinges is broken or bent. If you'd like to install the soft close without changing out your hinges, please check out Tips from Tiff, Episode 2. Replacing the hinges is easy, but you do want to make sure you get the correct replacement hinge. In order to do that, we're going to determine the correct overlay of the cabinet door. So I'm going to take my measuring tape, and we're going to do it on the hinge side of the door so that it gets the most correct and accurate measurement. And we're not measuring the cabinet, we're measuring how much the door overlays the cabinet, which is 1¼ inches. Once you have the correct overlay measurement, you can determine the type of hinge that you need. The safest way to do this is to replace it with the same brand and the same style. For example, I'm going to be replacing an older one-piece bloom hinge with a newer soft close version. If you're still not sure which hinge you need to get, please call us at Custom Service Hardware, and our experienced staff would love to help you get the correct hinge. So the bottom hinge has already been replaced, and I'm going to show you how with the top hinge. It's as easy as unscrewing the hinge, pulling it out, putting the new one in, and screwing it back in. Just make sure not to strip the screws in case you need to take it back out again. Once you've replaced the hinges, all you have to do is check to make sure it's level and you can make the proper adjustments. So we have 3 adjustment points here. We have one in the front, which is going to adjust your cabinet door left and right. And we have the second adjustment point, which will adjust your cabinet door in or out. And this is going to help if you have one of your hinges, maybe you have a gap in the top or you have a gap along the bottom, and you can adjust your hinges, either one, and make sure that it's level all the way through. And you have your third one, which we save for last because you need to do it to both hinges at the same time. So I'll loosen the original screws that I put into the cabinet, and as you can see, it adjusts the door up and down. And this is to make sure that your cabinet's aligned together. So now we'll tighten it back up. And because these are soft close hinges, I'm going to go ahead and flip the latch to turn the soft close on. And if you have a smaller cabinet door, for example, one that might be over a refrigerator, you will only want to turn on one of the soft close latches. And there you have it. You've replaced your soft close hinges. Be sure to give us a call at Custom Service Hardware if you have a hard time finding a replacement hinge. I'm Tiffany, and thanks for watching Tips from Tiff.